Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and in today's video I'm going to review a support and resistance indicator that we use in the double in a day trading techniques, and it has been around for about 3 to 4 years, and I thought I'd just revive this indicator and give you some details about it. Now, this indicator has been available on the double in a day website that you can see before you. The double in a day EA is basically a top-up EA that can be used when stretched to extreme to double your account in one trade. And as you can see on the website, I used to go and double people's accounts in one trade, and it was on the basis of, if I don't double your account, you get your money back. So that was quite an exciting time. I don't do that anymore, but I had about an 80% success rate doing that activity. Now, when we look at some of the double in a day trades that have occurred, you can see the reasons for the actual successful double in a day trades and the currencies that were the best currencies to trade. And the top one is channel trading, but after that, support and resistance plays a major role. There's a retest of resistance, support bounce, resistance bounce, retest of support. So the support and resistance plays a big role in double in a day trading. Let's have a closer look at this indicator. This indicator, as you can see, actually identifies short-term support and resistance. And what it does, and let's take a look at this, is it creates the level of support, and it keeps that level of support until it's either broken or replaced by another level of support. So for instance, if I had to take this long level of support that was identified here, it was identified over here, and the price was trending quite strongly, so there was no support levels going up, and then eventually a support level was established. The minute that next support level was established, this one stopped, the length of it stopped, and it's continued over there. So it continued until a next level of support was established, and there it goes on until the next level of support, and this one is lower than the previous one, so it goes up and down at the same time. Same thing with resistance. There's our start of our top resistance that stayed in place until another resistance level was established, and there it is, and you can see how long that one stayed in place, and this one over here then replaced it, and then further on this one over here replaced that, and as you can see, just recently that one was violated, that level of resistance was violated, and a new one was established up at the top. For interest's sake, I have drawn some of my own support and resistance lines just to check on how they compare to these short-term support and resistance, and some of them compare pretty well. If you look, here's a whole cluster over my support and resistance lines, over here a whole cluster here, but they don't agree completely. They are short-term ones, and they just help a trader establish the latest important turning point for support and resistance. So pretty good little indicator this. Now, to download the indicator, simply use the link on your screen. A clickable version of that link will be in the description of the video, and I will also include a clickable link in the commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Deployer, cheerio.